Hello guys, I am back. Today I am with you with one of my live trading videos and I also passed my 100k prop firm challenge in 2 trading days and I'm gonna be fully explaining you how I did it and how you can also do it. So listen to me well. If you have other things to do, go and do that thing and when you're free watch me, alright? But do not forget to watch me. Otherwise, if I know that you forget me, I'm gonna touch you. Like, really touch you. Whatever. So, let's start with together. Alright, guys? So, guys. The first thing you gotta do when you open your chart in 9 or 9:30 or whatever time you get wake up, you always gotta mark your important liquidities. Alright? So, we were in this place when the New York session has opened. So I was marking this low resistance liquidity right here. This wasn't a part of low resistance, but I also marked it. And what do we see when I open my chart? I do have a fair value gap, which is a high time frame fair value gap, so it's much more important. And what do I see more? What do I see more? We did have a bearish fair value gap right here, and with the opening of the New York session, we inverse that bearish fair value gap. Now it's an inversion fair value gap to the upside, to the bullish side, guys. All right. So, and in downside, we had this liquidity. So, what price should do? So we don't need that mark, so I'm not gonna mark it. Yeah, because it's not a part of low resistance. Ah, the reason I say that it's low resistance liquidity is because this kind of things, but I don't since I don't want to mark all the things. Like, if you still don't know what low resistance liquidity means, go watch my low resistance video. Low resistance, low resistance video. Yeah. All right. So in the beginning of the New York session, we created an inversion fair value gap to the upside. So that gives me an opportunity, I think, to we might be able to get that this both low, this both. All right. This is one and this is two. Got it? So I was looking for long trades, long trade opportunities. Then I jump into the 5 minute time frame. So before, like I always say that the low resistance liquidity is in everywhere. If you don't see it, it's your problem because it happens every time. So I'm gonna give you a little brief case about what was the low resistance liquidity. The low resistance liquidity is like, imagine that price is doing like this, like this, like this, like this. Price makes a move like this, and if price wants to go higher, the price has to take this lows right here, like the price has to close below this lows to go higher. All right. So yeah, this first trade, what do I see? Yeah, this this was our lows, all right, and price suddenly moved again to that 1 hour inversion fair value gap, all right, and instantly got rejected with a bullish displacement like this, as you can see. And now I have a sign that we will go up and take those two low resistance liquidities. So what was I looking for? I was looking for my entry, and in this position, my entry was this 1 minute, a huge fair value gap. I entered the trade as soon as the price touched that fair value gap, and put my stop loss to that both liquidity level. This was my take profit one, and this was my take profit two, which is take profit all. Yeah, it's basic. It's very basic. Like, all you gotta do is mark your liquidities in high time frame. It could be 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hour, 4 hour, like whatever you like. I like to mark my high time frame in 4 hour and 1 hour, and mark your important liquidities and wait for, you have two chances. All right, you have two opportunities. First, you can wait for the price to take one of these liquidities and go for the other liquidity. Like, If you are looking for, like, if you have, how to say, like, let me show you in 1 hour. So let's say that you mark this liquidity, but you don't want to take trades. All right. So the first thing you can do is you can trade with the trend, like believing that price will take those highs, or you can wait for the price to take those highs and wait for a reversal to those low, to this low. And what can price do? And logically, price can sweep these lows. Like, I'm just talking like no sense right now. I'm just explaining you. And what can price do? Price can go like what's really happening right now. If you see that, after price took that both liquidity, we have a chance to get, like, I mean, we have to get that low to go higher. If price wants to go higher, it has to take this lows, because what's liquidity means? Liquidity means pending orders. All right. So yeah, sorry. And what did I did? What I did, and I catch that trade. Yeah. Oops. Oops. Yeah. I catch that trade and made like, how much? I don't remember. It was like $500 or $600, something like that. Um, yeah. And after we took that highs, in high, again jump onto the 1 hour time frame. And what do we see? We took those highs wherein our daily bias was bullish, and we took one long trade and made money. But we took those highs, so there was no any orders except this liquidity. There was no any orders. But what did happen? Price touched that 1 hour bearish fair value gap and instantly got rejected. So this could change our mind to, like, this could create, how to say, like, I don't remember, but this can give you this can, please understand me. So when we see a rejection in 1 hour time frame, we can think that, we can believe that price will go lower, price will go low, and take this um liquidity, because this is a pending orders. Liquidity is pending orders. Like, it has to take this liquidity to go higher. I hope you understand me, guys. Whatever, we see a rejection. Now we are looking for a break of structure to go short rates. And I again jump into the 1 minute time frame to find my entry confidences. Oh, what do I see here? What do I see here? I have a break of structure. I mean, I had break of structure. Like, I could have took that trade on here, but I wasn't looking at the charts at that moment. So I took that trade on here. I basically waited for the price a little recover to go down. I didn't directly jump into the trade. I was waiting for a little recover, then a rejection upside and going down. I waited for it and entered trades right there. And no, it's wrong. Yeah, I targeted for this lows and made another $650 in that trade. I add more lots, and yeah, that's. I just explained to you how I turned profitable. So what are you looking for? Are you still crying for how to pass down? How, yeah? Are you still crying for you blow your um, funded account? You really crying for that? Just look at it. Look what I did. Look Parker did. Look what Parker did. Like, I'm not an I don't have an ego at all. But, like, I'm just fully explaining you how I turned profitable, and which is easy. And if you got, I'm gonna end video right here, because this was that was it. This video is 9 minutes because it's 9 minutes to turn profitable. I'm joking. It's not 9 minutes, but when you understand how the things work in day trading, when you understand how market maker thinks, and when you think like market makers, you will be able to make money. And if you got any questions, guys, please ask me, because I like to help people. chef is giving you free sauce, like free infos. You gotta support the chef, all right? Go follow me, like that video, share that video with your mom and father and siblings, and comment my video if you got any questions. Anytime, guys, you can ask me. I am here to answer your questions. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Where is my stop recording? All right. Bye bye.